Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If this is your first time here, I would like to thank you for stopping by and also welcome you. So here I have a pre-made slice of chocolate cake that I made out of foam and clay. What I'm going to show you is how easy it is to make a strawberry cheesecake also using foam and clay. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So first I lined out how far apart I wanted my slices to be. Then I used a knife to cut out about 2 millimeters deep all the way around my foam. Now this part is optional. If you choose to do this, please be careful. Now I'm going to make sure that the clay is long enough to cover both sides. I am not going to worry about the back side. Now that I covered the sides, now I need to cover the top. I'm not worried if it's not perfect. I just need to make sure that it's wide enough. By using a roller pen, it will help blend both pieces of clay together and roll out any dents or lines. So now I'm using a paintbrush and pressing in where I made the lines. Now I'm going to be using this old toothbrush and I'm going to be dabbing it on both sides. This will give me that cheesecake texture that I'm looking for. So I'm going to be using this adhesive cork sheet as my crust. I bought this cork sheet at the Dollar Tree and it's very thin. Perhaps you would like to have a thicker crust, so you will need to add 2 to 3 layers. On my chocolate cake, I use fabric paint as my chocolate filling, but for my cheesecake, I'm going to use a colored glue stick. I use the strawberry mold, but they are flat on one side, so I attach two together, making one full strawberry. I noticed that my strawberries are looking a bit too dull, so I'm going to mix Mod Podge with red paint, then paint them, and this will make my strawberries look glossy. You can also use this as your syrup if you do not want to use any glue sticks. Okay, and here it is all done. If you guys would like to know how I did the chocolate shavings, all you do is roll the clay out very thin, then you tear it into little pieces, use a pen to roll them up and let them sit to dry. Well, my friends, as you have noticed, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and until the next time, stay safe, be kind, bye.